I'm going to cook mash ki dal. So I put half cup of water and I soak this bean and lentils. I left in the water, and this morning I clean it, but still little bit the split beans are still there. I'm going to in a full fire or flame. So I'm going to bring it to medium. This is a garlic, and the ginger I peeled actually. I'm going to make it to cut it pieces, make it chopped. So here's a few things only. It will cook in there. The zira, safaz zira, which is a cumin seed. Crushed red chili. The crush I put a little bit also the hot, so turmeric powder haldi, the yellow one right here, and cinnamon stick, garam masala right here, and pink salt. Salt can be added later if needed. So here's the cloves, few cloves, like 7, 8 or 9 or maybe 10, just a little bit, so it will go in there. And I'm just going to mix it. I'm going to use that instead of the iron one. So I will cook till it's tender, because sometimes take 30-40 minutes to be correctly tender. I'm going to add a little bit more water, and the flame will stay full, because once it's a boil, few boils, and then start cooking. Now I'm going to bring it to medium, and now I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to continue washing, otherwise water will start coming out. So the last thing I'm going to add the ginger, chopped ginger, and little bit cilantro, which is a hara dhania, later, just maybe 5-10 minutes. Then I'm going to add finally I'm going to add oil or butter, one of the other, or just 2 spoons of desi ghee, whatever, depend on what I want to add it in there, but I need it a little bit oil or butter or ghee, one of the other, but finally, not now. I'm going to let it cook like at least 20 to 25 minutes, then I will check it. If need to add salt or need to add a little more water, I will add it. So the approximately time will be 45 minutes, 1 hour. Approximately, could be a little less or more, but it will be once it's tender and dry. This is a dry bean, so I'm going to keep it dry. Then no water will stay in there.